Hello guys, welcome to my mini vlog. This vlog is part of the series called My Adulting Life 101. Sheesh. So diri sayo kaayo ko ni mata and ako naghihipos akong hinigdaan kanang mga punda, habol o kanang bedsheet guys, barato ra kaayo na. Nindot kaayo pa jud, bago pa nang nilabhan guys. So, ubani ko ninyo karong adlaw as I navigate my adulting life. Dire kay nipastas ako to check for messages while listening sa chilling vibe na music. That is a Pomodoro technique, no? Going back, nag-check ko ana og messages and nag-respond also sa messages via Facebook or Messenger and also sa Gmail. And for information, I am currently hunting some full-time jobs, but since dili pa nako makaya, part-time jobs ani akong ginakiter karon. I do tutorials, data entry jobs, computations and such. I am also selling some premium accounts including academic accounts like Canva, Grammarly, and many more. I am also selling some entertainment premium accounts including the Spotify, the K-drama apps, and many more. If you wanna purchase, just message me here on Facebook. Mao pa niya akong ma-share karon guys, akong daily morning routine for now. So I hope I can help here through this platform. If ganahan mo sa akong content guys, kindly share and hit likes. Bye guys! See you on my next video.